Today I'll be talking about Apple Pencils. I don't own one, but I own a generic one that only cost me $30. It's supposed to perform just like a first generation Apple Pencil. So, as a reminder, Apple Pencils do not work with phones, specifically iPhones or any other phones, and they don't work with Android tablets or touchscreen, anything touchscreen, unless it's an iPad. And you can see over here, I'm on Apple's website. First generation supposedly works with iPad 6th generation, 7th generation, 8th generation, as well as iPad mini 5th generation. I believe these all iPads are circa 2018, as well as iPad Air generation 3rd generation. This is after 2018, probably 2019 or something. You can Google it. So how do you know the difference between first generation and second generation? The thing about second generation is it will use a USB-C. Can't see this here, but it uses a USB-C connector for these iPad Pros, as well as the iPad Air 4th generation. So this is a little confusing. The second generation Apple Pencil is compatible with iPad Pros or iPad Airs that use USB-C. And they charge off of like the side magnetic or something. I'm not sure. I've never tried. I just read over here. And so for all these other ones, it's a little confusing to me what their plan is, but you really have to read up if you're going to decide on using an Apple Pencil first generation or second generation to know if your tablet is compatible. If it's not compatible, you can look up Active Styluses, and they have other ones that aren't like an Apple Pencil, which will allow you to actually use it on everything: phone, iPad, or generic tablet, Chromebook, whatever. So here's a list of compatibilities. Good luck with getting your Apple Pencil. I'm not sure. For me, I can't get the iPad Pro first generation to work because that's like 2016, 2015. But again, this is a generic pencil. If I wanted to spend the regular money to get an actual iPad pencil, I could comment on this. But for me, I can't get it with this generic pencil to work.